To enable Face ID on the NatWest app, you will need to have a compatible device with Face ID capabilities and the latest version of the NatWest app installed. Start by opening the NatWest app on your device and logging in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Security section of the app. This is usually found at the bottom or top right of the screen. Look for the Face ID or biometric authentication option and select it. You will then be prompted to confirm that you want to enable Face ID. Tap Confirm to proceed. You will be required to scan your face using the device's camera. Position your face within the frame and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the scan. This may take a few seconds, and you will need to move your head slightly to capture different angles of your face. Once the scan is complete, you will be asked to create a passcode. This is an additional layer of security and will be required if Face ID is not available. Choose a passcode that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. With Face ID enabled, you will no longer need to enter your username and password to log into the NatWest app. Simply open the app, position your face within the frame, and you will be granted access to your account. It is essential to note that you should only enable Face ID on your own device, and not on a device that is shared with others. This is to ensure the security of your account and prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, if you change your appearance significantly, such as shaving a beard or changing your hairstyle, you may need to re-register your Face ID. By following these steps, you can enable Face ID on the NatWest app and add an extra layer of security and convenience to your mobile banking experience. Remember to always keep your device and app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and protection.